Have you seen this type of curling iron?
No. Wait, curling iron or curling gloves?
It's weird because they only give you one, but it's like, what if you burn this hand? Like,
Why don't you wear two?
they just give you the one with it, so I'm
So
just
you have to just buy two, right? And gloves.
I think that's too much concealer.
Oh no, I
Did
do
you
my
need to do
makeup
that?
next to my friend who's a makeup artist, and she's gonna tell me how to do my makeup. Watch. Well, I just started using concealer last week when they gave it to me at MAC. And so I don't know how to use concealer. I don't even have the right brush to do it. I just put it under my eyes. Well, because they told me to do like a triangle, and I can go all the way down my cheeks even, because it makes it lighter underneath all of the, like the entire eye.
Yeah, you don't just put it there, you do blend it down and out.
Mm-hmm.
Did you put moisturizer?
Hmm?
Did you put moisturizer here, miss? So we're gonna use some Clarins Gel Couture de Jour. Okay, I said that wrong. Eye Couture Gel for puffiness and dark circles. Not that you have that, but...
Will you go makeup shopping with me? Because I don't know how to do it.
That's why I was saying we should go to Namie's. Okay.
Sounds fancy.
Because like if you don't put moisturizer, it just
cakes out.
It just stays in one spot, and we don't want that. Especially when we're doing photos and video today.
Let's see. Oh, I like it. So I need to do the moisturizer first next time.
You can do that, or you can blend it with the foundation. Like, all right, for instance, it's organic.
Luminous. So you blend them together.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm learning so much.
It's what?
I'm learning so much.
So, you could start in the center and work out and up. It's like a mini facial in the morning.
I know. It feels so good.
Yeah, it just goes on better because in LA it's so dry here. The powder, I mean, I rarely use powder. It just gets too cakey. I know, this part's kind of hard to do on yourself. It's like, what are you gonna do?
I'm dry down there.
That doesn't sound right. With the hair up, you always want to like push the ends out. And just...
Very smooth.
I know, with this lighting in here, it's a little bit rough.
Yeah, it's hard to tell with the lighting, but it looks smooth.
I don't know what this lighting, it's like yellowish.